Hey guys, welcome to a fairly large announcement video here. If you follow me on my personal channel, this isn't huge news, at least some of it. This is like a two-part announcement video, really. The first part is simply that I'm not going to be posting videos here in this season, whatever this season may be. I have my booktube channel where I talk about all the books that I read, and I might pull my kids in a little bit more frequently there and share some books that they're reading. I also have a personal channel and talk a lot about a bunch of things there. This kind of all stems from a video that I well, it doesn't all stem from, but a couple weeks ago I posted a video on my personal channel talking about heart schooling and this idea of how I am trying to raise adults, not just deal with kids. And what I want from them is a three-part thing that I talked about, which is my church's like slogan. It's love Jesus, love people, and help people love Jesus. And that is my goal with our homeschool. And as of right now, I just feel like I need to take a step away from this homeschool channel. I've decided that doesn't mean that I'm taking a step away from my blog and other things, and even Instagram, I still plan on being on there kind of on a every now and then regular-ish basis. But this YouTube channel for this next season, I will not be here. I do plan on maybe sharing some homeschool content over on my personal channel. I was thinking of doing like a quarterly resources we're loving kind of video and maybe the odd like heart schooling related video there. I was kind of thinking maybe a little bit about different traits that we're working on or something. I'm not really sure. But if you want to follow my personal channel, it will have a little bit more of the like parenting, heart schooling stuff going on there, and every now and then a like resource kind of homeschooling video. But there's a lot of other stuff on there like fostering stuff and random things, decluttering, all sorts of random things. It's a very random channel. So that is part one to this video. I'm not going to be taking down my old videos. They're still going to be here. Hopefully that content can continue to help people. Just need a little bit of a break here. And then the second part is that we are going to be, me and my husband is the we, are going to be making more unit studies. We have kind of found in the last couple years that we like a relaxed unit study approach to the knowledge portion of our homeschool, the like the school portion, as it is said. And we have made some unit studies kind of in the past, and we started by making them in a format that wasn't the way we like to school. It was a lot more like worksheet based, a lot more like school. And that's just not really how we like to run our homeschool. And so we've been taking some time to figure out like, how do we like to run our unit studies? And it's a much more relaxed approach. And that is going to be reflected in the unit studies that we create. We're going to be doing like a combination of unit studies that we make after we have run the unit, and then also some that we are making to do together as a family. So I will be sharing that. The best way to stay up to date on everything, honestly, is to get my homeschool newsletter. The link is always in the description. I shared about heart schooling there first, actually, a few weeks ago, and that kind of snowballed my decision to step away from this channel for a time. I appreciate those that have reached out and don't want me to step away. I get that. I really appreciate all of you. I will still be in places online, so hopefully can kind of fill your buckets that way a little bit. But yeah, just need to step away here a little bit. And then if you are subscribed to our homeschool newsletter, and then you kind of get the up-to-date information. And there will be a new unit being released fairly soon, hopefully, and that will be announced on the newsletter and probably Instagram as well, but definitely the newsletter is the best place to go. And what I like to do, I like to reward people who are loyal. And so what I like to do when we've been releasing new units and new products is I like to put it on sale for the first like 24 hours-ish. For those who want to purchase, are excited to purchase, I want to give you guys the best deal. So make sure you're signed up for the newsletter so that you actually know when that's happening. I'm currently working on a garden unit and have a list of 1 million units that I want to make. If you have ideas, leave them in the comments, because sometimes even though I have a list of ideas, I don't want to do any of them at the moment when I need to be making one. Yeah, so I'm sorry for those who are not a fan of these changes, but that is where it is going for now. Like I said, this is a season. I'm not sure how long I'm going to be gone from here. I would love it if you would stay subscribed, because I'm sure the way my life goes, one day I'll be back. But right now I just need to step away in this arena for right now. And thank you so much for all your support while I've been here.